Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily mate and unmate the fiber optic tails to fiber jumpers using the Q-XCO connectors by HUBER+SUHNER. On one end of the fiber optic cable assembly, you'll find the plug, and on the other end, the bulkhead or socket. Both are essential for a secure connection. Let's get started. To mate the connectors, begin by taking off the dust caps from both connectors. Remove the dust cap from the plug connector by pressing the two release levers at the same time and rotate until you hear 2 clicks. Remember to connect the dust caps together to keep them clean and free from debris. Hold the plug in one hand and the socket in the other. Rotate and align the connectors. Push them together and continue rotating until they snap in place and you hear 2 clicks. Thanks to the blind-mateability feature, the connectors will self-align into the correct position. And that's it. Disconnecting is just as easy. To unmate the connectors, simply press both release levers at the same time and rotate until it clicks. Then pull apart the connectors. Don't forget to put the dust caps back on when you're done to keep everything clean.